Please forgive. Too many mind.
Too many mind?
Mind the sword. Mind the people what? Mind the enemy. Too many mind. No mind.
Perfect blossom is a rare thing. You could spend your life looking for one, and it would not be a wasted life. You have seen many things.
I have.
You do not fear death, but sometimes you wish for it. Is this not so?
Yes.
I also. It happens to men who have seen what we have seen. And then, I come to this place of my ancestors. And I remember, like these blossoms, we are all dying. To know life in every breath, every cup of tea, every life we take. The way of the warrior.
Life in every breath.
That is Bushido.